once we get it, you come into our shop, you get it applied, the maintenance is critical on it, right? It's not a set it or forget it. It's a little bit more of a set it or forget it than the ceramic coating is, but still it needs to be maintained properly. So we always tell customers, once you get the PPF set in, you're not able to run it through a car wash. Now, you might be able to run it through a car wash the first time and all was well, maybe the second time all was well, but there's going to be a period of time where those brushes are going to catch those fenders or the front bumper or the hood or whatever it comes out to be, and it is going to pull that PPF off. And it might pull the PPF off in such a force that it damages your paint. So that's one thing you definitely want to watch out for. So what we recommend is only hand washing on the PPFs, whether that's done in our shop or in your driveway. It's completely up to you. We don't try to push anybody in for regular maintenance washes and stuff. Obviously, we can help you do that, and we're here to do that for you. But at the same time, we don't put anything within our warranty contracts and stuff to where, hey, you have to come in and do this, $200 maintenance package with me or something random like that. That's not how we work. We want to make sure that the products and services we provide to you, you're able to handle on a day-to-day basis too as well, because a lot of people we come in are car guys and gals too as well that want to handle this stuff on a day-to-day basis. People might get a little concerned when they hear, oh, well, I've got the monthly package with the local car wash right next to my house. I can't run it through the tunnel anymore. What am I going to do? You'll be very surprised how many different shops are out there that only do hand wash. And you'll also be surprised that maybe even the car wash monthly place that you go to has a hand wash option that you can take advantage of too as well. You can definitely bring your vehicle in any one of our shops in the Houston, Arlington area, or as we expand, any one of our shops can handle any sort of hand wash package for you. Absolutely.